Today we are having our lucky draw for CleanPV. For all of those who have entered into our lucky draw, we wish you the best of luck. So how this works is, we've gathered your reviews, we've placed them into one of our CleanPV caps, and we will draw from that and announce the winner right here, right now. So just to give you an idea what the winner will get, it is one of our 7.5 meter solar panel cleaning poles. Like you see here, it comes with a 1-year warranty, so the person who wins this also gets a 1-year warranty on their product. Your product includes a 20 meter long polyurethane hose with a brush and a quick connector set. So let's get right to it. So just so you can see, those are the names. They are cut and folded shut. I won't be looking when I'm doing the lucky draw, so I can just mix it a little bit, mix it around, and let's draw it now. Tabu! Well done, Tabu. You won one of our water-fed poles. Congratulations. We're excited and we'll ship it out to you Monday.